How ChatGPT can rewrite and improve your existing code. We knew this generative AI tool could create code, but did you know ChatGPT also can explain and rewrite your code? Maybe we should call it to the code whisperer. Over the past few months, we have been exploring ChatGPT ability to create code. ChatGPT is considered a generative AI, and creating code from a prompt certainly fits the generative term. We should how it can create a complete working WordPress plugin as well as write code in dozens of languages, both mainstream and obscure. Also, how to use ChatGPT to write code. But in some recent experiment, I became aware of another capability. ChatGPT can read and deconstruct code. We got a hint of this capability when I explored using ChatGPT as a tool to assist with debugging. I fed it a small block of code and an error message, and it was able to show me where I had gone wrong. But what I am going to show you today is how ChatGPT can help you understand and potentially rewrite code. This is a pretty big deal. Explaining JavaScript. To illustrate this, I shall start with a small chunk of a JavaScript code that validates whether the input value is currency. It uses some relatively arcane regular expression in the first and third lines, which we shall ask it to help us with. Let's start by having ChatGPT explain what the code does. This is a very powerful capability, especially if you are inheriting code from another programmer, while others no guarantee that ChatGPT will be right. This could save you hours by letting you get a feel for how code works. I use the prompt. We can do some interesting things with this capability. For example, we can have ChatGPT rewrite code. As an example, I asked ChatGPT rewrite the following line so it does not use regular expression. Return is n a n and n is equal to 0 and something. Also, how to use ChatGPT to create an app. The following answer shows both the power of regular expression in keeping code concise and the ability of ChatGPT to take existing code and rewrite it. Explaining open source C code from a GitHub repo. In this second example, I am working with GamePro, the open source graphics editor. We shall be looking at a block of code starting at line 438 that runs in the PSD import section of the open source application. Once I asked ChatGPT to explain the code, and here its responses. Where this become even more powerful is that you can use ChatGPT to perform language conversation. I asked ChatGPT to rewrite it from the original C to Python. Rewrite that code in Python and make it as concise as possible. Improving ChatGPT even noted the following after the code. The G negative free function from the original code is not included in the Python version.